Now I'm going to show you what are the problems we can face while using same instance of a block or qubit among multiple screens. As you know, if you want to use same instance of a block or qubit among multiple screens, we have to either use nested navigation or we need to wrap our material app with that particular dependency. In this example, I'm wrapping our material app with the counter qubit because I want to use this counter qubit on my home page and also on the detail page, right? So now if I click on the login button and if I increment the count and I go to the detail page, I'm getting the same count value here. And if I click on the logout button and if I click on the login again, I'm getting the same count value. The instance of the previous counter qubit is still in the memory, and this should not happen. Why it is happening? Because we have defined our counter qubit on the top, right, on the top of our application. So block provider basically maintains the dependency for us, so it's basically maintaining the counter qubit. So as we have wrapped our whole application with the counter qubit, it is available on all of the screens whether we have logged in or log out. So to fix this, what we need to do, we need to first remove the block provider from here and we need to take help of getit. If you are not aware of getit, then you should check out the getit playlist. So here I'm going to use getit to register the singleton, right? I'm here passing counter qubit, right? And also we need to pass the callback to the dispose. So inside this dispose callback, we are going to call the close method of the counter qubit. So this close method is available for block also. So this method basically closes the instance and it removes it from the memory. Now we need to define the dispose, and inside the dispose method we are going to call the unregister, because this dispose will be called if we are going to call the unregister, right? Also, as we are maintaining the counter qubit by ourselves, we need to define it like this, right? We need to pass it here also we need to pass it here. We need to remove this and also this comma. Now we can run this application. Now let's go to the login home page and go to the detail page. Okay, everything is working fine. Let's log out and log in again. So we have got a new fresh instance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.